Good morning, big man. My name is Mr. Okudeshu. As you see me so, they call me small body, big engine. I have helped a lot of people come out of poverty. I give people financial freedom. I'm here to introduce to you our money-making matrix, MMM. No product, no service, but you will be making money from the comfort of your home. That is what I bring to you today.
Wait. Let us get something straight. What means of transportation brought you here?
Brilliant question. I live at Aduwawa. So when I enter bus to Ring Road, then I now took along to Sapele Road and drop at your junction. I now enter all those keke napep that drop me at this street, then I trek down.
Are you playing? What type of playing
Oh wow.
is this?
So you enter keke napep and trek down to my office to offer me financial freedom.
Not be juju be that.
Now you said no products, no service. So how do you people make money in this your MMM?
Well, like I said earlier, you don't need to sell anything. All you need to do is to bring two people, then encourage them to bring their own two people. Then those two people that those two people brought will be encouraged and mentored to bring their own two too.
Okay, so I live in a mansion and I have 3 cars. Yet you have the audacity to enter keke napep to come and offer me financial freedom.
Not be juju be that.
Since you have been talking since, I have been staring at your shoe. So let me ask, Mr. Okudishu, what is the issue with your shoe?
Jesus! Jesus. Jesus.
Even from your appearance, it is obvious that you are in financial bondage. How can somebody like you claim to offer people financial freedom? You are as dry as stockfish. Please, if I may ask, where are you from? What part of the country are you from?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Okay, sir, I'm from the middle belt.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Oh, you are from the middle belt. Why didn't you belt your trouser at the middle of your body?
Jesus!
You carry trouser put for belly.
Photo.
Oh, I see. You don't have a waist. Sakpa has wasted your waist.
Oh, no.
When you walked in initially, I thought you came to apply for the vacant position of cleaner. You don't even qualify to be a cleaner in this my company. How can you walk into a multinational trucking and transportation company to offer the CEO financial freedom?
This man.
Mr. Okudishu, here is the issue. Just look at your shoes. Now turn around. Let me see the back of this your shoe. From the back of this your shoe, I know that you are a specialist in trekking. You didn't enter any keke napep. You trekked all the way from Aduwawa to Sapele Road here. True or false?
Okay, you don't catch me. Now you have caught me. Okay, let me confess. It's actually true. I trekked from Aduwawa down here to Sapele Road. It's not as if I do not have transport money. Oh. It's just to keep fit and lose some weight.
You don't have any weight to lose, sir. The only thing you can lose if you keep exercising is your life.
Jesus is Lord!
Well, I'm tired of this country. It's not as if I'm not a graduate. I'm a graduate of the University of Benin. But there is no work. I've been looking for work since I finished my NYSC. That's why I decided to start this network marketing. The truth of the matter is, nobody wants to give somebody a very good update. Everybody is just hiding updates. They are doing gatekeeping. You now, if I ask you, how did you make money to open this your big company? You will be gatekeeping. Open up to me, sir. How did you make the money?
Well, I will not gatekeep with you. I'll open up to you. First of all, know that the biggest investment is investment in knowledge, especially when you learn a high income skill. Now, the biggest financial market in the world is the Forex market. The future of money is crypto. Imagine you having the ability to learn and earn from both of these markets at the same time. There is a secret academy that allows you to learn and earn from both markets. Even when you are still a novice, you can leverage on the knowledge of experts to make money from these two markets. I'll give you an instance. If you were to be a dunce and you have zero knowledge, and you walk into an exam hall and you were lucky to sit beside a genius, and that genius allowed you to copy their work, you would pass the exam in flying colors, even though you have zero knowledge about the course. So you see, this academy has up to 40 mentors teaching Forex and crypto. Now they put their money where their mouth is by taking trades and allowing you to copy those trades, and also giving you signals to allow you make money while you are learning. As you know, the Forex market is not for small players. Banks trade Forex. Big hedge funds trade Forex. So if you take your miserably small capital of maybe $2,000 or $1,000 to trade in the Forex market, you get swallowed up by the whales. So it would be smarter for you to use that money to pay activation in this academy and unlock funded accounts of up to $200,000 with which you can conveniently compete with the big whales in the market. Now, the most interesting part of it all is that this academy not only gives you the skill and the signal, they also help you secure huge capital to trade in the market, which is prop firm funded account. Wow, very, very interesting. This academy, is it free of charge?
You can wish. You can wish. Wish that is blood body.
The university that gave you the certificate that has not been able to get you employment since you graduated, was it free? Did you not pay school fees? If that university was free, how would the university have money to pay the lecturers?
It is smoky, Igbo.
This academy is not free. So if you are interested to get more information about how this academy works and the cost of activation, send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen and plan to attend one of our Zoom meetings.